Do you think you can learn all the English words just by mugging up entire dictionary? Impossible, right? But not actually. With the help of root words, you can actually learn all the English words, that too in a damn simple way. So, what are you waiting for? Let's start learning English easily just by using root words. Hey guys, welcome back to our daily dose of English vocab. So in today's video, we are going to learn 5 new English words using the root word seek, S-E-Q. If you are new to my channel, then I just want to give you a very quick brief that I basically prepare videos to help you guys do well in competitive exams. Apart from that, I also make videos so as to help you guys improve your English or your spoken English skills. Okay, so in this lecture series, I'll be discussing some of the root words so as to improve your vocab to a whole another level. Yes, using root words, you can easily learn many words, actually infinite number of words, because root words are something which have a solid meaning of their own, and once they get associated with some other word, they influence the meaning of that word. So in this way, we can actually learn a lot many English words in a very easy manner. Okay, so let's begin with our lecture. Seek, S-E-Q, is the root word which basically means to follow. Okay, so the meaning of this root word is to follow. Okay, now let's quickly have a glance at our very first word, which is sequence. So sequence, as it contains the root word seek, that is to follow. It means when a set of things follow each other. Or a set of things which are in a set order. Like you must have the word, you must have heard like the sequence of this book will be coming soon. That is the part of the the book which is going to follow it will be coming soon. So that is called sequence. Okay, now let's move on to our next word, which is sequential. Sequential, again nothing but related to the following, means to the word follow, means following a sequence. Again, it can be just used in a very same way that this movie, the part 2 is sequential to the part 1. Okay, that means the part 1 will be following the part 2, or the part 3 will be sequential to the other part. That is, the part 3 will also be following that particular sequence. Our next word is obsequious. Seek again means to follow, and ob means over follow. So this means to over follow or to continuously follow. And who is someone who continuously follow or who over follows? Take a guess. Yes, he might be a fawner, he might be a bootlicker. Okay, like the servant was continuously the servant was showing an obsequious behavior to the owner so as to get promotion. Or it can also be used in a sentence like the employee was being so obsequious so as to get third promotion in the very same year. Okay, that is, he was actually showing the bootlicker behavior or a behavior of a fawner. Okay, now the next word which follows is consequence. So consequence means nothing but it is a result of something, a result which follows something. Like as we can say, global warming is a consequence of overproduction of carbon dioxide. like global warming follows as CO2, that is carbon dioxide consumption, increases. So this is basically the meaning of consequent. Now what is subsequent? Sub basically, what is sub? Sub is basically afterwards or inside. So sub is following in time, like sub is afterwards. So sub also means like subway, afterway, underway. So following in time, under in time, or we can say like basically succeeding. We often use the word like in subsequent years the growth is definitely gonna increase as the technology is showing great improvement. That is in following years, in upcoming years, in succeeding years. Okay, so I do hope the meaning of all these 5 words are very clear to you. Let me know in the comment section if you have any kind of doubt in that. Also share in the comment box if you have discovered more such words using the root word seek. Okay, and if you like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video and share the same to your friends. Till then, stay tuned, stay subscribed.